Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and it is that time of the week. It is post-burn review time. I know I get excited about post-burn reviews, and based on the comments, you all enjoy them as well, so that's why I'm going to keep on doing them. Yes, it is the dead of summer, but that does not stop the show. We burn candles year-round around here. We are still enjoying our summer scents. Yes. So, all right. So before we get into those post-burn reviews that you all care about, let's take care of the little bit of housekeeping that we always take care of first, aka the manners of this here channel. Lipstick of the day. Do y'all like today's beats? By the way, I felt a little smoky. Yes, I felt a little smoky, a little blue smoky of that, with an old nasty new lip. So yes, I digress. But anywho, you all, lipstick of the day is MAC Sis, S-I-S-S, Sis lipstick. So get into it. This was one of the original nude lipsticks I ever fell in love with and bought. It actually used to be a MAC Pro lipstick color, meaning you had to order it from the Pro stores or buy it in the Pro stores. But then they made it mass available to everybody, so you can just go on there and order it. Sis was my first nude. Of course, I found other nude lipsticks over the years, but this baby right here was perfect because it's a golden brown color, which matches my skin tone pretty well. Yep. And then the gloss I put over is also named Sis by Juvia's Place, and this right here, it's a rose nude color. Works very well with this lipstick, so that's what you all are getting today. Fragrance of the day is by Maison Margiela Replica, as he calls his fragrance line, and this is Bubble Bath. Bubble Bath. This is so good. This is a unisex fragrance. It is described as comforting, clean accords. Yes, it is so good, and it's supposed to mimic and give you the feel of Beverly Hills in 2005. I was in high school in 05, so 05 was a good summer and a good time, and I'm here for it. But this scent smells so good. It just literally smells like a bubble bath. I absolutely recommend this scent for cuddling, going to the bed, or I would even suggest even an office-friendly scent. In fact, one of my co-workers commented on it today saying, "Girl, you smell real good." I was like, "Thank you, it's bubble bath." Yes. So yes, bubble bath is white t-shirts, sweatpants approved. So all right, you all, we are about to get into what you all came for, which is the post-burn reviews. As you all know, for those that have been here, but for those that are new, because we keep getting new family members. I love new elves. Welcome to the North Pole, I like to say. So how the weekly post-burn review candles work, of course, again, it is based off of 3 things. And first thing is burn experience, meaning what was it like to actually burn it? What was the flames? Was the wicks doing weird stuff? Was the wax tunneling? Was it not? Was it a smooth burn? That's what burn experience is about. Then the second thing I also talk about is the throw on a scale of 1 to 10. Throw meaning how far the scent projects. If it's a 0, meaning we don't smell it. If it's a 10, it means I can smell it in my clothes and I can smell it in my house, in every single room, every floor, even when it's not burned. Just to give the scale and what that means. And then the third category, which quite frankly is the one, in my opinion, it really matters the most for the most average candle user, and that is, would I buy it again? Yes or no? So that's how we do post-burn reviews over here, for those that are curious. So now let's get into the first post-burn review. The first candle we're going to feature is from none other than Bath & Body Works. Yes, we love Bath & Body Works on this here channel. And this is a single wick of the candle Paris Cafe. This was a December SAS find. How do I know that? Because I'm looking at how this is one of the single wicks that still has the scent notes on the bottom. You know, they've taken them off the newer versions of candles. I'm like, I hate that. This was a 75% off find. I had gifted it to the boyfriend. So, yep, he loves it, burned it down. I enjoy it. It's a perfect breakfast candle. So we enjoy that. So let's get into it. Burn experience. This bad boy burned beautifully. because I was always present to burn it. This thing burned beautifully, burned all the way down, easy going, didn't give any issues, didn't have to trim the wick at all, so an excellent burn experience. The throw is Paris Cafe. You all, it's Paris Cafe. If you didn't already know, Paris Cafe is a freaking 10. You will smell this candle just sitting in a cabinet. For those that store candles in like a cabinet, this would be the coffee candle you smell. This is this one. This bad boy don't play. And when you light it up, it still fills the area. This single wick was strong. It still filled kitchen on into living room space. So even these are strong as all get out. So I'm gonna still stick with the standard 10 out of 10 for Paris Cafe, even for the single wick version, because this outperforms most single wicks on their best day. And then would I buy it again? Absolutely. Y'all have seen me buy Paris Cafe multiple times on this channel. It's a staple. So yes, we're gonna continue to buy Paris Cafe. All right, y'all, the next candle we have is Pink Watermelon by Bath & Body Works, White Barn Core packaging. This was a lovely spring candle. The notes in this one were juicy pink watermelon, sugared strawberry blossoms, lime zest. This candle smelled like straight up sugar. This was straight up watermelon sugar freaking candy. Like it was nauseating sweet. It was very nauseating sweet. And so I can't. So yeah, burn experience, burned very easily, very evenly, very clean. Cannot complain there. Didn't have to babysit the wick, so this was a great burn experience. Love it for that. This one was about, because it was obnoxious, this one was about an 8. So this crosses over into that strong scent category for me. It was a little too, it was a lot. Would I buy it again? Based on y'all can tell my reactions, the answer is going to be a no. It's going to be a no on this one, because I don't like overly sweet scents. I don't like overly sweet perfumes. I do not like overly sweet candles. And this was just syrup and sugar to me with a hint of watermelon. I'm good on it. All right, you all. The next candle we have is Deep Blue Sea. Deep Blue Sea, everyone. So Deep Blue Sea is of course a Bath & Body Works candle. It's a White Barn packaging. This one was, the notes on this candle were blue citrus waves, crisp island woods, fresh cypress. Oh, this just smells like men's cologne to me. This was like every department store men's cologne melded into one. And that's how I feel about it. In fact, I actually wasn't gonna buy this candle, but I had a lovely tag along with me when I bought this one. And he was like, I love it because it smells very masculine and very guyish. I'm like, yeah, it does. Fine, I bought it. Yeah. Anyway, let's get back into the experience. I'm rambling. So the burn experience was cool. It suited a lot. Like, look how dirty that wax is. It got kind of dirty and gritty and nasty towards the end. So wasn't all the way perfect, but it wasn't the worst thing I've ever experienced. So we will deal. Then you all, on the throw, on a scale of 1 to 10, this actually wasn't like, this didn't knock my socks off like I thought it would. It was okay. I give it a 6. So a little better than average, but I won't give it like, whoa, mind-blowing scent worthy. I'm not gonna do that. And then would I buy it again? It's a no for me, because this was a little bit too masculine for me. It just smelled a little bit too much like generic cologne. I'm not here for it. Next candle we have up is the Bath & Body Works Honeysuckle Freesia candle. This at the time was an online exclusive, and thanks to SAS, they started to show up in stores, so more people were able to get their hands on it, because everybody don't want to pay that $6 shipping. I know I don't feel like it. I have to be really in the mood, and there got to be a lot of stuff I want that's online exclusive for me to place an order. But anywho, I digress. Let's see here. The notes in Honeysuckle Freesia are garden honeysuckle, sugared citrus zest, freesia petals. This was a very floral centric candle. Extremely floral. This was definitely a spring candle for sure, because I had to make myself burn it, because I was like, ooh, I'm really not feeling this whole floral vibe right now, because it's summertime. I want to smell coconut. I want to smell sunshine and lemons and all that lovely goodness. But anywho, the burn experience was good. Even burn, it didn't give me any issues. Check it out. Very even, very neat. We like that. Excellent. Didn't have to babysit the wicks. Throw. This was one of those candles, like it was burning, but it was like, okay, it's in the room. Like I smell you, but it didn't knock me off my feet. So this one I give it a 6. It was like, okay, she's there. She's cute. But was she memorable? No. So therefore, on that note, would I buy it again? No. Because she didn't move me. I didn't feel like, oh my God, I need more of this. I need a crate of it. Like, oh my God, no. I don't feel that way about this candle. It was all right. All right, let's switch things up a little bit. We finally have a non-Bath & Body Works candle. And this time we have an Aldi candle. Y'all know I ride for my little Aldi candles. Yes. This is a Huntington Home candle, as their brand of candles are named. This is the lemon and sage candle. It's a soy blend candle. Again, we like Aldi candles because they are only $3.99. And this one, it did what it needed to do. It smelled like lemon and sage. The lemon was extremely pronounced in this candle. So this was an excellent, cleanup scent. So I burned it in my kitchen. And it was great, especially after mopping my floors, washing dishes, disinfecting, you know, all that good domestic stuff, honey. Yes, your girl has the yellow gloves and everything. I'm old school. But anywho, you all, burn experience was really good. Yes, didn't give me too much problem. It did get dirty and gritty midway through. Yeah, as you can see it in the wax, got a little dirty there. I was like, okay, don't act up. You've been doing good. But she went on ahead and finished strong. But I had to go ahead and tell the truth. She got a little dirty along the way. And then let's see it. Throw. This was good. Throw was about a 7. So I definitely could smell it. It gave me the enhanced clean scent that I wanted. It definitely made me feel like, oh, I've really done something today. Look at that. Would I buy it again? Lemon scents are kind of like hit or miss for me. I'm not crazy about them. To me, they're just good as for what I used them for, which was to clean up with. So, maybe. I might change my mind if I see it again next spring. I might grab one. So I'm kind of on the fence on that one. So we're going to say maybe for this one. We're at the end of the line here, and the last candle that I have, and oh, this candle was, oh, you all, I was so excited when they released this candle because I'm obsessed with the wallflower. I have multiples of the wallflower. This is the only scent I have ever hoarded in wallflower form. And I really wish the candle did not only come around for a short period of time and disappear. I wish it would have been on sale during SAS. I wish I would have got more of it when I could. I needed a crate of this. This was a hoard-worthy scent. And I am talking about none other than Laundry Day by Bath & Body Works. This is the White Barn packaging. This is the only form that it came in. You want to talk about a candle I need you all to make multiples of, like they make sweater weather in the fall and flannel and frozen lake, all those type of scents. How you see like 3 different packagings for it. I need 3 different packagings for Laundry Day. This is a holy grail candle for me. It is everything. This is clean. This is clean. This is every powder detergent ever created mixed together, and it's loud, and I'm loving it. I am obsessed with this candle. So you all, burn experience, let's get back into it. Burn experience was great. Didn't give me that many issues. Got a slight bit dirty there towards the end, but it's not all the way like terrible. I'm willing to deal because I love this scent that much. Throw scale, this is a 10 out of 10, honey. This is the newest queen, king, whatever in the monarchy that is Powerhouse Candles from Bath & Body Works. This is the latest baby to be inducted. I love it. Would I buy this again? Absolutely. Again, hoard worthy scent. And you all know I do not hoard. I am not a hoarder like that. I don't collect, but this scent is hoard worthy to me. And if they bring it back, I will be buying backups. I have one left in my collection that I'm holding on to with dear life. And yeah, I love this scent. It's everything. If you got one, if you can still smell it, definitely go check it out if your store even has them anymore. I know my area is like completely out. But anyway, you all, that wraps up this week's edition of post-burn reviews. Let me know what you all burned. I like hearing from the elves. Drop some comments below. What candles are you loving? What candles are you hating? Did you enjoy this post-burn review? Let me know, guys. I like hearing from y'all. So without further ado, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.